livery of the McLaren 620R, and then we are going to be doing a full body on it, some coating, handful of other goodies.
Weird that it doesn't have a placard number, being that there was supposed to be 350.
Hashtag bump.
And then COVID screwed that up, and so there's only 225 for the entire world.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so the fact that there's 225 and you don't have like a placard saying what number it is, I think it's kind of weird. Because there'll be 70 of them in America.
Yeah.
Sexy overland. And can you believe that this lower portion on this 765 that's gloss black is a $15,000 upgrade compared to the carbon fiber bits that come on that one? So you pay 15 grand to have the paint on carbon fiber. That doesn't make any sense to me. And I'm glad that he took that option away, because he spec'd his fully, so that would have been painted, but then he found out that they paint the carbon. So obviously he took it away because that car looks incredible with the carbon.
You hear this thing scream?
Hear it.
Like when you start it up, the bald eagles screech out the back. Do you hear that? Listen to that thing. That idle. It's got that potato idle. Buddy! This thing right here, this thing got a big block. This is real America right here. This is real power.
Blue? Dirty. Oh crap, dude. Look at it.
That is dirty.
That thing looks like it sat outside forever. That jumper pack has definitely never been on my list of things I thought I would need for a Ferrari. It looks like it's been sitting right there for how long? I don't know, but I'm excited to get it cleaned up for him and wrap it in hot pink.
What's going on over here, Tanner?
So, we're trying to get this fender vent out right here, but we are getting it out. And to get it out, there's bolts behind the fender, so we had to take the hood off to get a fender bolt out. Then we had to jack it up, take the wheel off so we could get the fender liner out. And then behind the fender liner, you have the washer reservoir right here. You move the washer reservoir so you can move the ECU so that you can get to the other bolts that hold the fender in, so you can take the fender off so you can take the vent out so you can wrap it. And that's where we're at. So unnecessary? Absolutely not. That's how we do it. It's gonna look sick though. We're gonna get it all tucked in. Just had to disassemble the entire car and make it look like that.
What's going on with the sunglasses, guys?
It's too bright!
This color, it's with our IR lamps on it, it's so bright. It almost kind of fatigues your eyes a little bit. So we're wearing these sweet shades to stay sharp, stay focused. This Ferrari, which was this blue with the silver accents, right? It's like a special edition package to have this color combo. So we're gonna keep the silver accents, right? So that's why this mirror couldn't be done in one piece. So rather than having a seam that you're gonna see, we're just gonna accent with silver because we've already got everything else already silver.
One thing I do know though is that you can't ride in a convertible without having the top down.
It's a great day today.
So the hair can blow.
Yeah.
What little you have.
Little one.
Somebody's got to put their hair down, I guess.
Full send.
All right.
There you go.
Oh yeah! They're letting the hair just blow free in the wind!
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Just haven't gone full bleach yet, you know? Life's in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair and dress me everywhere. Do you remember that song?
I didn't know that much of the lyrics though.
Those cars really do drive absolutely incredible. I mean, they're kind of like the Corolla to me of Ferrari.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, they're just like a car you can just drive normal. It's not like a sports car. I mean, it is a sports car, but it's not like a supercar where it's like super bumpy and rigid. It's just kind of that California cruiser, you know?
Yeah.
I guess that's why they called it the California. And it's definitely not the fastest Ferrari. It does sound cool though, doesn't it?
It really does.
Little V8. The problem is that I feel like I'm getting really jaded with all of the high horsepower, 800 plus.
I didn't think I would, but
Then when I get back in something that's like 500, I'm like, damn, that feels slow.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if this works with long hair down. It's kind of
All over the place.
It's getting a little crazy. It's the windows need to be down too, so it gets real wild. I don't know what rap song that was in, but I think they were wrong about putting the hair down so it can blow. But here I am. Still not unhappy about it. It's still not a bad amount of power though.
No.
It's enough. Just again, we're jaded from 800 horsepower Porsches. It is a beautiful sound.
You literally had one of these, she's like
Look what we have outside. It's my dream car, there's no doubt. And this client, he actually ordered and spec'd this back in 2019, I think. So he built this one out exactly how he wanted it. It's got this really awesome metallic paint. This has all the carbon fiber extras. And look at that interior. This is exactly how I would build it. So I'm hoping 5 years from now when he's done enjoying this car and onto the next one, that this one's mine. And then this carbon actually has like, it's legit textured.
that is nice.
some type of special black with a diamond effect, he said. And
That is awesome.
in the sun, you can see it. It's got tons of pearl in it.
What color did you refer it to, Sam?
I refer to it as obsidian black with diamonds. I know it's not like the correct color code for sure, but that is the best way to explain it without seeing it in the sun. Bring this camera lens real nice and close up in here. I got the old sun gun, hashtag my phone.
See, we got a lot of fun products coming down the pipeline. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Every Tuesday we got videos coming out. Make sure you stay tuned and watch them.